Hi, welcome to Travels with the Russells. Well, today we're going to take you from the harbour up to Paphos town, so up to the market. People often ask, how far is it from the harbour up to the Old Town? Well, let's have a look. Come and join us.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're roam free.
So we're just leaving the harbour behind us there, setting off now for the Old Town. And this won't take long at all. I know we're driving, but it's a question that we're asked all the time. How far is it from the harbour, or Kato Paphos, up to the Old Town? Well, this is it. We're going to drive it. Won't take long at all. And we'll stop at the market. Old Town is well worth a walk around. It is nice. The place up there, Kennedy Square and stuff, a really nice area to have a little walk around. There's a few cafes, well, there's a lot of cafes and bars and things, restaurants up in the Old Town. So if you were walking, I wouldn't advise it in August. I'd get the bus from the harbour up to the market. But if it's like it is now, it's March, it's spring, it's hot, it isn't, you know, you can see people are in shorts and t-shirts and have taken their jackets off. Yeah, it is warm today, but it would be a nice walk up to the market. So in front of us is Kings Avenue Mall, the big shopping mall in Kato Paphos. So you walk past the mall. Again, see bus stops. You got the bus stop. Get the bus up into town. The buses are very, very regular here.
So, yeah, it's a brilliant.
And it's a set charge. So whether you go 200 metres or 2 kilometres, it's the same bus fare. The American University of Beirut on the right. Yeah, I know, but that's what it's called. Now, if you're staying at the Mayfair Hotel, then when you come out the Mayfair and go towards the main road, you just turn left. And in fact, all the roads join together, so you would come out just above where these traffic lights are. If you're walking from the harbour, then you just keep walking. Now, it is uphill, so I'm going to start going uphill in a minute. There's the Old Town is at the top of the hill, looking down with the great views. I mean, I've walked up here numerous times, and I always reckon 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
As a walk up to town.
Just push it.
Oh, yeah. Traffic's a little bit heavier than normal because it's lunchtime. So again, going up the hill here. Now at this second set of traffic lights, you can either carry on up the hill and you come to Kennedy Square area, the old police station, or as we're doing, we're going to the market. So we're going to turn left here. Oh, got the lights for me. And it doesn't really matter which way you choose, because it's all to the left of here. So if you walk all the way to the top of the hill and then go to your left, then you're going into the Old Town as well. And Kennedy Square and the areas of Town Hall and things are on the right. Cyprus presidency of the Council of the EU, 2026. So turning left. Few more shops. Used to be a Mothercare there, and there is a Marks and Spencer's food shop.
Yeah.
So if you want Marks and Spencer's food, just on your left there. It's only a little, but sells all your normal Marks and Spencer's stuff. Then on your right, we've got a big, massive Coffee Nero, which is overlooking the view down towards Paphos Harbour. It's very popular. And we're kind of really in Old Town now. As we swing around this one way, on the right is the market area. And again, you can see all the little cafes and restaurants on there. And this is where the buses, or the bus would drop you. As you can see, the bus stop is on the left there. The market hall on the right. And then really just some of the back streets of the Old Town here. So thanks ever so much for joining us. It was only a 6 or 7 minute trip, I think. So, well, yeah, it wasn't very long. The traffic lights stopped me mostly. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. Any questions or comments, as normal, just leave them below and we'll get back to you. See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Make a loan, change your life. Well, we've been supporting Lencare for a while now. And honestly, it's one of the simplest ways I've found to make a real difference in the world. Through Lencare, I help small business owners across the globe grow their businesses, support their families, and build better futures. And the best part is, you can do the same. There's already a fantastic community of over 90,000 people lending, and together we're creating real positive change, one small loan at a time. If you'd like to get involved, I can help you get started. When you join using my link, you'll receive £15 free credit to make your very first loan, so you can try it out and see the impact for yourself. This is not a donation, you actually lend the money and watch how it helps someone build a better life. I find it incredibly rewarding. If you enjoy our travel videos and seeing the world like we do, this is a brilliant way to give something back to it. Give it a go today and let's make a difference together. Lend with care. Follow the link or check the description in the video.
love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean.